In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Lite app not working. So if Lite application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Lite. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Lite and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Lite app. For that, launch open app library on your device. Now what you have to do is find the application for Lite. Long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Lite. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache of the application has been cleared, your app should start working. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. Simply tap on the uninstall option in the app info interface. After you do that, go ahead and install the application again from Play Store or App Store. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, what you have to do is simply scroll down from the top of your screen. Now tap on the power icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Or instead of that, you can also long press on the power button if you want. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this option restart that you can see on the screen. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Lite app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.